Okay. Yes. Okay. Good morning, all. Good morning. Did you remember? Last day we discussed about that simulators. Okay. We discussed there are actually simulator is like what template. It is just like a template. It is used for several location. Something like actually for testing. Did you remember? Yes. Okay. We will move forward from that one. Okay. We will move. Yes. Okay. We will move forward from that one. So, like that one, we have to use simulator for several locations. Okay. We can use simulator for testing something. Actually, like that. Okay. So today they are having important part that regarding to the database. Okay. Shall we write down that one, please? Yes. Today we will do this one. After that one, we will move. Okay. Shall we write down? This is very important. Very, very important. Yes. Shall we write? Yes. About databases. Write the databases. Write down, yes. Databases. Databases used for several occasions, for several things. It can be used actually like tables. Okay. When we wanted to enter data within a table, that lot of data, something like school details, something like what office details, something like that. We wanted to add several data within a specific time period again and again. We can use databases. So such occasion, we normally use databases. So this lesson, we hope to do like these kind of file entering thing that related to database. Okay. Database is actually entry something like that. So for example, look at here. Database for computer games. Here, a file, uh, any one of kind of data. Look at it. They are having computer game. Here a database for computer games. Yes, they are having one game name, age rating, and the genre. Okay, so actually, Bill and Betty is a game. It's age rating for something like what? More than 12. It's normally going on the 2D platform. Building blocks. Build blocks, it is you use what? Age rating like age more than 3. Like that one they are having. You can see they are having a lot of games. Okay. So all of them we are entering through this table. Okay. All data we are entering through this table. So such occasion like that we can what? Write down several data like here one row is actually one data. One row is actually one data like that one record actually. Like that one we can enter what database related this. Okay. Okay. Now they ask a field from the database. What is a field? You can take game name, age rating, or gender. That should be the field. A record from the database. A record. Bill and Betty is one record. Bill blocks one record. Ping pong is one record. They are having other details also. Okay, and appropriate data type of the day. Appropriate data type. Do you know what are the data type? Mhm. They are having a string data type. They are having, I think you already know what are the data types. They are having a string. They can be having varchar. They can be having integer. Like that, they are having a lot of things. We will discuss. If you don't know, I will explain them again and again. Okay, like that one, they can be asking a lot of things. So when you consider this type of table, okay, they are having important thing. First of all, they are having primary key. Actually, primary key is a unique one. Okay, actually, you have to know about primary key. The primary key should be a unique data. Okay, actually, one record is one row like that. There should be have a unique. That means didn't repeat. Here, each category can be repeat. The genre can be repeat, but game name is not repeating. Tree, tree, here arcade, arcade. it can be same name again here, but J here game name is not repeating. So like that one, we can take it as a primary key. The doesn't repeat thinking. Okay, it should be a unique one. If they're having a unique one like that, we take them as a primary key. So in a database is a collection of data. Okay. So first of all, write down the topic. What is the primary key? Okay. First of all, write it. What is the primary key? You should be aware of that one. What is the primary key? What is the primary key? What is that? Okay, we will discuss at the what is that? Primary key is something like what unique one. It should be unique. We will discuss. Yes. So you may have look at even build a database before. Okay, you sometimes you never built a database before. So actually a database is a collection of data about same topic or type of what thing. A database is actually a database is what? A collection of data about same topic or type of thing. Okay, database is a collection of data. It can be about the same topic or type of thing. First of all, write down that one. A database is collection of data. Right, underline part, yes. A database is collection of data about the same topic or type of thing. About the same topic or type of thing. Actually, a database like that. A database is collection of data about the same topic of type of thing. There can be have a primary key with that one, like here. So when we consider more, okay, you wrote, I guess. So database should be like that. It is a type of data. Yes. So the kind of database you have seen or built probably had a single table. Normally, databases are writing within the single table, but organized set of data arranged into more rows and columns. In within the table, that organized data can be arranged within lot of rows and the columns. There can be have lot of rows as well as columns. Okay, so kind of database you have seen built probably had a single table. So organized set of data arranged into rows and columns. Okay, we will write down that one. The kind of database you have seen or built probably had a single table. An organized set of data arranged into more rows and more columns. Okay, that organized set of data should be arranged into more rows and the more columns. That's nature. So organized thing, they are arranged set of arrange. Okay, write down, yes, underline part. They are arranged, they are arranged, organized set of data arranged into rows and columns. They are arranged within the rows and columns. Normally, like this kind of columns is taken as fields, as previously I tell that columns are taken as fields, the rows are taken as a record. Okay, we will write down these two for in, it is important. According to above example, the columns in the table are called as a field. Here, one field, game name, age, one field, Genre, one field. Okay. So field of collective of single type of data in the table. For example, the name of the all computer games. The name of the computer game. Name. It's actually what? A field. Name. Age. The genre should be field. Yes, they are fields. Like that one, that details in the columns are taken as what? They are taken as collaborate as fields, as well as the rows. The rows in the table are called as records. The record is a set of data. Record is actually set of data in all field about single item of the database. For example, all the data about the single computer game. That all the data in the single computer game, such that. Okay, write it. Can you please write down? A kind of database you have seen will probably handle a single table at actually organized set of data that arrange in the rows and columns. The columns are table. Columns in the table are called as a field. The field is collective, otherwise collection of single type of data in the table. For example, the name of the all computer games. The rows in the tables are called as records. So record is set of data in the table about single item of the database. For example, you can take it as what? Single computer game. A name of single computer game. Shall we write? Yes. Can you write down, please? Okay, write it down. Yes. So they are having rows and columns. Rows and columns like that. Okay, write it down. Yes. Like that. They are having records and also fields. Rows are record and columns are field. Okay, like that. You can write below. What are the rows and what are the columns? I think you already wrote, no? Yes, write it. Yes. Okay, yes, they're having fields and records. Fields are actually columns, records are actually rows. Okay, in the table, they're having columns and rows. Rows are taken as one row for one person. Normally, we are taking one row for one person. So that one we are taking as a record. So one field. So so field can be affected for the all the members in the tables. Okay. Field can be affected for all the members in the table. That should be like a table heading. Okay. The columns. Yes. So it is important to every record is what has something to make it unique. It should be unique as previously to there should be not repeating same record again and again. Okay. There should be not repeating same record accordingly again and again. Clear? So unique means it is only one kind of what kind and there is no other record is exactly name. There should be have only one for one name. There should not be have same name for two records. So in the computer games, database, data in some of the field was the same in the different words. Database in the data, some field was the same in the different names. So for example, some games had the same age rating at each other. So such as 12. And there was the same date for the genre field. So such as arcade. Like that one, they are having same thing. I previously tell there can be having same thing for the arcade. So yes, arcade one and the age one. There can be have, but they are not having same thing for the game name. So it should be a unique one. We call that one as a primary key. Clear? The we call in that one as a what? Primary key. And also name and age, rating, and the center. So if you look at each record, you will see each unit. They are not having same thing for the two records. So following database is also shown as names, some players who like to play these games. Okay. So here there are include what? There are include another thing. What player name? That Billet Betty, it's for this one. It's like to play Muhammad Khan. Muhammad Khan also like to play Hillel Betty. Hillel Betty also. It's also for 12 plus. So there can be same for the same thing for the genre. H rating can be have same thing. Player can be have same thing. But game name, they are not having the same thing. So like these things, we are taking as a primary key. We will discuss. Like these things, they are taken as the primary key. So to make sure. So you can see they are not having bill and betty, they are not having another bill and betty. Okay. Here, but there are Muhammad Khan and Muhammad Khan. There are repeating same thing here. That should not be okay. So actually, they make sure every record is unique. So database what needs to primary key in the field. That column gives the record unique number or code. So should be what a database to make every record is unique and also a database in the primary key field. So this columns given each what gives each record unique number of code. Column should be that primary key column should be given what each thing as a unique one. Each thing as a unique one. Clear? Should be unique one. Can you write down this underline part also? Okay, in database on primary key, the game name because every entry is field is different. They are not having same record for two times. So primary key is the what? So in database, I primary key is a game because every field is that different. You can write down that one also because the game name is unique. They are not repeating same game name again and again. It's not repeating same game name again and again. That's why. Okay, this game name is unique. That's why. Okay, write down. Yes. Write down underline part, please. Write it. So like that one to make, but sure, every record is unique. So in the database, should we have a primary key that field? So column give each record unique number of code. So in the database, if the primary key is but game name because every entry in the field is different. So every field they are having different value in the game name. So such that we can take okay, yes, write down. Yes, write it down. So like that you can write no. So make sure every record is unique. Every record should be unique with the primary key. Feel that so these columns give each record unique number of code because database the primary key like in the game name because every entry is field is different in the game name. Okay, game name they are having a different thing. Okay, shall we move? So in the database they are having what for primary key for two columns, two fields. Sometimes they are having have to take two fields. Mhm. So here they are having you can see same thing for 2D. Here there are same thing for 2D. But in the player number is what? It's unique. They are having unique one. So this one is about primary key. The primary key is what player number here. Like that you can analyze because it's unique for each others. The primary key should be a unique one. Because of that, it's what unique with the each other. Okay. Shall we write down one example? This table, please. Please write down this table so you can take this one as a primary key. Primary key. Write down this table, please. Yes, write down. Write it. Okay, yes. Here player name. They are having same name. Muhammad Khan, Muhammad Khan. So it's not a primary key. Here the same. They are having same thing. But they are having same thing. So these are not the primary key. Primary key only what play by ID. Play by ID is the does not repeating. So it's primary key. Okay, can you write down quickly? Write down this table. After that turn, we will wind up for today. Okay, write it down. Yes, I'll give you some time, 2 or 3 minutes. After that turn, we will. Okay, write it. Start right. Yes, I think you already almost written. Okay, if you didn't write this one, you can write it as a homework. Okay, and please mention this one as a primary key. Okay, if you didn't write, you can write this as one as a homework. Okay, so I think it's almost time up for today. No, yes. So yes, you can write this one if you didn't write it the home. Okay, I will wind out for today. It's almost time up. Yes. So we will see you on tomorrow. Okay, next day. Okay, I will wind out. So good morning all. See you. Okay, good morning. Thank you for coming. Okay, see you.